We are good at what we practice, and we've been practicing distraction for a very long time. And I just realized this 2 months ago, and I decided to change it. Thank you so much for choosing this video. I am Kashmira, and this is how I went about increasing my focus. These are all the list of things that helped me do it. I watched this TED talk. It was titled Unwavering Focus and it was by a monk. It immediately caught my attention because as a student, we are prone to so many distractions on the internet. We are always on the lookout for that one solution that will help us beat procrastination and also help us do what we actually should be doing. Firstly, you need to stop being so hard on yourself for not being able to focus. It's not your fault, and here's why. Think about this. You've never really been given a formal training regarding how to concentrate, or even taught how to concentrate, neither in your schools or in your families. How do you expect to be suddenly good at something you've never really done? Every time you say you've been procrastinating, you have actually been practicing distraction the entire time. You do it without even realizing it. It happens unconsciously, and you need to break that habit. How do you do that now? How do you reverse something like that? You need to practice concentration instead of distraction, and you need to unlearn distraction on a daily basis. To practice concentration, you need to find instances throughout your day. You need to find tasks which need your undivided attention. Once you've identified these opportunities, use them as a tool to increase your focus. But here's the catch. If you choose not to act over them, or if you choose not to seize the opportunity, you will be practicing distraction all over again and you won't break the cycle. It's literally a choice away. To take this to a next level, you need to bring in more conscious effort into your work. You need to become more aware. It doesn't matter if you're studying for an exam or if you're talking to a friend. Everything that requires your undivided attention also requires you to be more conscious. Now imagine this scenario. You've been studying for half an hour and suddenly you feel an urge to check your phone. Now this urge is basically your awareness shifting to your phone. You need to consciously bring back your awareness from your phone to your studying in order to stay focused or in order to practice concentration. I hope you liked the video. I've been personally doing this since 2 months now, and I've noticed a huge difference in my ability to focus. If this is something you're struggling with too, I hope this video helps. If you want to watch the original TED Talk, I'll link it in the description box. This is my first video. Show some love, subscribe. Okay, bye.